In this tutorial, we will walk through the setup screens of the GPS 7500 receiver on the InCommand Go display. It's important to know where the GPS settings are located to verify that you are achieving the highest accuracy for your operation. To access the GPS 7500 setup menu, tap Setup on the home screen. Tap the receiver and steering wheel to open the GPS and guidance setup screen. Tap the wrench next to the receiver to enter the GPS settings screen. On the General tab, we are able to change the differential source. Tap the drop-down to see the available differential sources. Only the differential sources that the receiver is unlocked for will be shown. Glide, WAS, and Agnos don't require a subscription or unlock. TerraStar L requires a subscription but does not need an unlock. The age differential is a time limit of how long the receiver can go without receiving an updated correction signal before the differential source is considered lost. Each differential source has its own default value and should not be changed. When WAS is the selected differential source, Stable Lock is checked. The Stable Lock feature is covered in a separate tutorial if you'd like to learn more. Tapping the Reset to Defaults button will restore all receiver settings to factory default and remove all custom settings. The NEMA Talker checkbox is used to enable or disable the GLONASS prefix and the NEMA messages. If you wish to use the GPS 7500 RTK relay, use this checkbox to reboot and change the receiver settings. To change the output baud rate, GPS position rate, or hertz rate in which the NEMA messages are being broadcasted, tap the Port A tab. The port that has connected next to it indicates that the display is connected to that port. The InCommand Go display will automatically configure the port for the settings it needs and will not let you change the output baud rate or disable the GGA NEMA message. Tap the Port B tab. Since the display is connected to Port A, we are able to edit all settings except the GGA NEMA message on Port B. These settings would only need to be changed if Port B is connected to another display. Now you will be able to set up the GPS 7500 receiver on the InCommand Go display. For more information on the setup and settings, please refer to the Operator's Manual on the Ag Leader Knowledgebase. If you'd like to see more short tutorials from Ag Leader, please subscribe to our YouTube channel.